Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on Thursday afternoon, March the 12th. Not too much to talk about today. This market is ugly. As I alluded to this morning, best way for me to describe this market right now is it's just frustrating. I had to walk away this morning. I felt tilt setting in if I kept going because the setups look good, but there was just no continuation, and we literally just went sideways on the NASDAQ. Really went sideways everywhere. This is actually Dow Jones. I apologize. There's a yes, and there's NQ. We finally got a little bit of a breakdown toward the end of the day, but pretty straightforward. Like I talked about, we've lost some accounts yesterday, and so I decided I'm going to take them 2 by 2. I'm not trading a whole lot of accounts, and I've quite a few of them are in pretty bad shape as far as drawdown. So we need some wins, and I'm basically kind of set myself up on a rule of if I have 2 full losses, I'm out. I'm done, and that's what happened today. I actually took 3 trades. One was a break-even trade, which has been quite common in this market we've seen. Is just there's just no continuation, and for me, this is just not good price action, and so we walked away. Took a couple trades, like I said, and they didn't work. First one I think was on the Dow Jones, looking for a continuation below this level. The setup look there was a little aggressive on the entry and, kind of bottom ticked it and it reversed, but we had this ugly wick and then we fell right back down, but it was going nowhere. Looked like it was going to set up, didn't work. I initially thought when I got stopped out, man, I probably just took too big of a size. I probably should have left my stop up here, had less size so I had more bandwidth on the stop, but that still wouldn't have worked. It was just simply a fail. I just trapped. And that's the thing that I've really struggled with, getting really frustrated. And I know you shouldn't do that, but it's hard not to. I mean, it's hard not to when the setup looks like it's there and it just doesn't work. Took 2 trades here, looking again for this breakdown below this level. Everything was there. It looked great, didn't work. Simply trapped in reverse. First trade was a break-even trade. Second trade was a loss, and it just didn't work. So at that point, I was like, I'm done. I'm walking away. And honestly, didn't even look at the charts for several hours. Looked at it toward the end of the day, but I thought I might get a setup. I think it might have been on the Dow. No, was it on the Russell? I don't know. I forget where I was. I was looking for a setup somewhere here that I thought might play, but it ended up not playing. And is what it is. So not too much to talk about. Just ho-hum kind of a day. And whoops, let me show you TradeZilla just for transparency's sake. 3 trades, shows 6 because I'm copy trading 2 accounts, but down $600. No big losses. $106, average loser. 2 losses, 1 break even. So I'm not losing big money on my trades. I'm just not finding wins. That's all there is to it. So we'll be back at it tomorrow. Maybe Friday gives us something better. But yeah, if we just continue to do this sideways dance, I'm out. There's just no point in trading this. For me, it's not. I hate this market. I absolutely hate this market. So it is what it is. So we'll leave you with that short and sweet update. A couple trades, losses. Tomorrow's a new day. How's that? All right. Hope you guys did better than I did today. If you like this market, let me know. If you don't like this market, let me know. I'm curious how many people are really enjoying this. I can't believe it's too many people. But anyway. All right. We'll leave you with that. Have a good night. We'll catch up with you on the next one. Take care and so long.